Begin by melting your cubed butter. Melt on a low to medium heat. Stir it every so often. Once it's all completely melted, take a note now of the colour of it, and it's more of an opaque consistency. Then let it come to a boil. Once it starts bubbling and it really comes to a strong boil like now, it will start to have a bit more of a translucent consistency, not as solid a yellow colour. It's also starting to smell quite nice too. Continue cooking until a very slight brown colour. There will also be a separation of the fat and the liquid with a foamy top surface and residue in the bottom. Scrape that down, as that's where all the flavour is. Transfer to a heat-safe bowl and let it cool down. Leave it at least 10 minutes and it should be ready to go into your final recipe. Here's some pics of the process. Can be used like here, simply added to cookie dough. This example being my browned butter, nut and chocolate cookies. Recipe to come soon. Thanks for watching. Till next time, happy baking, bakers.